Forget passive calculators. Autonomous remote agents are literally flipping the corporate finance world upside down right now.
We're moving from AI that waits for your prompts to bots actively trading while you literally snooze. ChatGPT's dominance is slipping, guys. It's dropped below 50% as cheaper open model ecosystems rapidly take over. Big tech giants are gobbling up specialized AI startups to build end-to-end digital financial assembly lines. But hey, robots stumble too. 60% of enterprises admit their initial AI trials delivered zero real value. Get this. Soon, commercial banks will actually be negotiating business loans directly with your AI agent. Crazy enough, over 70% of finance leaders are totally ready to toss the keys to these agents. But CFOs aren't reckless. They demand strict machine governance and a giant, comforting manual kill switch. To do this safely, we use protocols like MCP. It's basically a secure digital extension cord for data. Welcome to the new alphabet soup. A whole web of protocols is being built to govern autonomous transactions. Now for the dark side. Hackers use fake error reports to trick gullible agents into compromising enterprise servers. This agent-jacking method boasts a terrifying 85% success rate, which is triggering severe national security warnings. The Five Eyes Alliance warns that devastating cyber attacks from these advanced models are literally just months away. These bots are thirsty too. By 2030, AI's projected water usage could equal 1.3 billion humans. Also, UN data shows significant gender bias hard-coded into many systems, making inclusive governance a strict business requirement. So how do you survive this robot invasion without losing your accounting job? Time to grab a cape. AI kills the boring chores, transforming you from a basic accountant into a strategic, data fluency superhero. To survive, experts recommend the deploy, reshape, and invent framework to gradually tame this wild new tech. Master prompt engineering. But remember, never let a robot make the final call without a human checking it. The digital assembly line is officially here. So, are you ready to be your new robot's boss?